Up the stairs.
You hate me. You hate me. You hate me.
And here's the new guy, Bixler.
Hey, Bix. Conchisa? Conchisa? Bixler. Bix.
And the old lady Mercedes. Oh!
Uh-oh.
She's still 22 years old, kicking butt and still taking names.
Yeah, she's still kicking butt and taking names. Bixler takes it all in stride. Right, Bix? You want a belly rub? Belly rub, Bix? Ooh, you don't like your face. He still doesn't like his face touched. Bix. You want belly rub? Belly rub? Belly rub? Oh, that's a back rub. Do you want a belly rub?
Stop petting him.
Belly rub?
Just don't pet him. Quintessa, well, there's the belly rub.
Oh yeah. Belly rub. Belly rub. Belly rub. Quintessa? Come here, sweetheart. Oh, hello, honey. Oh, you hate me. Yes, I know. Oh, you hate me. You hate me so much. You hate me, right? Oh, you're my girl. Yes, you are. You're my girl. No. Oh, she says, oh, let me disembowel you. Oh, let me disembowel you. Rah, rah, rah. Kill, kill. You're my girl. You are. You're my girl. You're my girl. Okay. That's good. Thank you.